How to log in into your TradingView account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your TradingView account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser, and after you open up a web browser, simply search for TradingView. So let's search for TradingView and hit enter. So yeah, this is the website for TradingView. Simply search for tradingview.com and you'll get redirected to your website of TradingView. After you're here, there you will see different options here and what this site is for. So you can tap on this profile icon on the top here, and then you'll get an option to sign in to TradingView with Google. So you can tap on it and you can log in with your Google as well. So I'll just tap on this and tap on sign in here. And it should take me to this section where I can sign in using different options. So you can sign in with your Google, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Yahoo, your Apple ID, and your LinkedIn. So you can sign up using whatever you want, or simply you can sign up using your email. So tap on email, and all you have to do is type in your email right here and then your password. After that, tap on the sign in button to log in into your account. And with that, you'll get logged in. Also, if you've forgotten your password, you can reset that from here as well. So I'll just sign in using my Google and tap on your account if you want to sign in with your Google, and then you should be redirected to your user account. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.